Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how to trade volatility 75 index on the 5 minutes time frame. On the screen I have V75 5 minutes time frame, and I have two windows. I have the main window. This is my main window, and I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1. Now the way this strategy works is, on the main window, when the red line cross above the green line, all right, that's my buy signal. Okay, and when the red line cross down on the green line, that's my sell signal. Okay, and this must happen when they are both above the black line. When they are above the black line, I'll look for buy entries. When they are both above the black line, I only look to buy. Like you can see what happened. We have a crossing here, all right, for buy, while the price is above the black line and the moving averages are above the black moving average. Okay, now this is supposed to be a sell, but we are above the black line, so I wouldn't want to take anything like sell. But as soon as I have the red line going up again, I will buy. Now if I buy at this point, here will be my stop loss. Around here, my stop loss will be around here. Okay, you can see what happened. Price continued up. Okay, until we have a sell around here. All right, so but when we have the lines below the black line, let's look at scenario where we have the lines below the black line. Okay, now we are below the black line here. All right, and we have the red line going down below. We enter our sell trade around here, and then of course if we enter our sell trade around here, when where the red line touches the green line and cross downward, we can sell around here. Preferably we may sell below the low. This is a low, we may sell below this low. Okay, then our stop loss will be somewhere above here. Okay, then we'll just ride along with the trend. Okay, this is also another point to enter. All right, stop loss will be above the eye. Okay, now don't forget this sell bearish scenario or point at which you can sell will happen only if the moving averages are below the black moving average. Don't forget that. And buy scenario will happen when they are above, okay, like they are all above the black moving average around here. So you can always look for buy. So that's it. It's a good strategy. You will like it. It's a very good one. You will like it. Okay, now for indicator window 1, if we are going to sell around here, so the selling point for indicator window 1 will be when the red lines cross the Bollinger Bands downwards. You can sell at that point, at the point of the red lines crossing down on the so not Bollinger Band, parabolic SAR, not Bollinger Bands, beg your pardon. When the red line crosses down on the parabolic SAR, you sell. Okay, when it crosses up, parabolic SAR like you have. Let's look at it still. Okay, we have it cross up around here. Okay, we have it crossing up around here for a buy. All right. Okay, so that's how to use indicator uh window one. Okay, let's look at another scenario. Okay, we have it crossing up here for a buy. Okay, let's look at moment of sell, point at which you can sell, crossing down for a sell, crossing up for a buy. So more like the red lines pierces the parabolic SAR and goes up. And you can see what happened. You can see what happened here. Price also went up. All right, because we have like a crossover over the parabolic SAR around here. So one particular feature is that the red line will always touch the 25 2018 level. Okay, by the time it touches that level and goes up to cross the parabolic SAR, you can always buy. And also for selling situation, let it touch the 75 80 level and then cross down on the parabolic SAR for you to sell. Okay, so it's as simple as that. It's a very good strategy. You like it. Like you can see a sell situation here, a bearish situation, a bearish signal around here. Touches the 75 80 level for crossing down on the parabolic SAR. Okay, and then we started to have a bearish trend. So that's that. Don't forget, for you to sell or place your sell trades, you allow the two moving averages, the green and the red, to cross down on the black moving average. Then you start to look for selling points. Okay, selling points where the red line crossed down on the green line, like we have around there. The red line tested the green line around there and then crossed down. You can, at the crossing, when price drops below the two lines, you can look for the low price point. This is the low price point, and then place your trade somewhere around here. Now this, of course, this breakout to take it, pick the trade, and then you can see what happens. Price starts to go down because we are already in a bearish trend, as indicated by this black moving average staying above all other moving averages. Okay, now when you place your sell trade somewhere around here, if price now goes up and trips your stop loss, then you can stay out of trade for some time and then begin to monitor. But most of the time, price start to go down because uh, this symbolizes your trend change. Okay, of course, in a downtrend, you only look out for selling opportunities. In an uptrend, you look out for buying opportunities. Okay, like this is an uptrend. This is the start of an uptrend where the red and the green line crosses above the black line. So buying opportunity, an opportunity is around here for you to buy. Okay, this is a fake out of a sell. Okay, but there's an opportunity to buy. Okay, now this is another fake out of a sell because we are still in a bullish trend, but you are seeing sell signals. This is a buy opportunity. Okay, and you can see what happened here. Both sell opportunity, buy opportunity, but we are in an uptrend, so we'll look out for this buy opportunity where the red line crosses above the green line for us to buy. So that's that. Let's look at the parameters, the settings. Let's look at the settings. Now to look at the settings, we'll uh, look at the first on the main chart is our moving average, 240 period. Shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to close, color is black. That's for the black trend. That's for the black trend trend change line, which is this black line. Right now, every other moving average is above the black line, so we are in a bullish trend. So I will always look out for buying opportunity. Like there's a buy signal around here. And of course, I placed the buy trade around there, and you can see what price the price went up. I expect price to continue to go up, but I've already placed a stop loss here to protect my trade in expectation that price will continue up. All right, let's continue with the parameters. Now, the first one is 240. The second one is 5 period, which is the red colored moving average. 5 period, shift is 0. Method is simple, apply to close, color is red. And the third one is 28 period, shift is 0. Method is simple, apply to close, color is green. All right, on indicator window 1, we have oscillator, stochastic oscillator. The parameters, we have percentage K period is 1. Percentage D period is 1. Slow in is 1. Price field is low over high. Method is linear weight. Now the color of the main and the signal stars will match the background color of your chart. Okay. And then the levels for the stochastic oscillator, we have 20 and 80. Color is black. Now next is the relative strength index. Period is 10. Applied to close, color is red. And let's look at the levels. We have 20, 25, 75, 80, and the color is black. As for the RSI, then the parabolic SAR, we have step is 0.03, maximum is 0.09, and the color is red. Okay, that's for the first parabolic SAR. Now the second relative strength index, we have period is 8, apply to close, color is red. Now let's look at the levels. We have 19, 18, 82, 81. Okay, then the last indicator there is parabolic SAR. Step is 0.02, maximum is 0.09, color is purple. All right, so that's the parameters, and that's the way you use this strategy. It's a very simple strategy. When you have the red line crossing above the green line, when they are both above the black line, that's the time to buy. Okay, and when you buy and you are in profit, just like I'm in profit, you can always place your stop loss to protect your profit, so that when price comes down to your stop loss, trips your stop loss, and you still go home with something. Okay, but if you are going to buy when you have a crossover here and you're going to buy around there, just like I did, your stop loss initially will be at the low. Your low is around here, so you place a stop loss here. Okay, so that's that. But for you to sell, of course, you may sell around here, but you are in a bullish trend, so you may be having some scalp trade, scalp sell. Okay, you may not stay long in such selling situation, because the trend is still bullish, in as much as the black line, these are black line, is still below all the moving averages. You may only look out for buy trade. So when price is going down, like just when price is going down, just like in this area, you just have to wait. You have to be patient like a sniper and wait for when price starts to go up, and then you have a crossover just like you have here before you place your buy trade. Okay, now that's for buy signal. For sell signal, let's look at where we have sell signal like I explained earlier on. Okay, like we have sell signal somewhere around here. So all you need to do is wait patiently for the red line to stay below the green line, just like around here. You place your trade, and then you go on with some profits. Like now, right at this particular point, our black line is below all the lines. Okay, so we only look out for buying opportunities. So if we are going to look at, let's look out for where it's all started. Okay, this is where the bullish trend started. Okay, the bullish trend started around here, so we'll be looking out for buying opportunities. Okay, like this is a buying opportunity. It's an opportunity for you to buy. Okay, this is another opportunity for you to buy. Now, for each buy opportunity, your stop loss should be somewhere below here. Okay, for this particular crossover, then your stop loss for this particular crossover should be somewhere around here. Take profit, you can always place stop loss in profit for as against take profit. Okay, is either price goes down and trips your stop loss, or price goes up and then you start to move your stop loss to follow price, just like what I did around here, moving my stop loss to follow price. So it's an easy strategy. Okay, it's an easy strategy. It helps you to follow the trend. You can use this strategy on any time frame. You can use it for other volatility index assets. You can use it for boom and crash. You can use it for forex. You can use it to trade gold. It's a simple strategy, very easy to use, can apply to all time frames. Okay, like I'm using it on 5 minutes time frame, I can use it on 1 minute time frame, I can use it on 1 hour time frame. So that's that for the strategy. Please don't forget to click the subscription button, click the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel so that you get to see our videos. Click the like button, like our videos. Okay, click the bell button below the video for notification. Also state your comments, ask a question below the video, state it below the video. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. Okay, you can go to our website to learn more about how to trade forex and volatility index. The website is www.benefxtrader.com. We also have fxfables.com. All right, that's that for today's strategy. Till I come your way next time, is bye for now.